Hello my dear students, today we are going to discuss the new chapter 4 simple equations. So this is the simple chapter and you just focus from the beginning onwards. It is very easy. Okay, you just focus here. Now what is equation? What is simple equation? I am going to explain today. Suppose I told you to think of numbers 1 to 5. I told you to think one number in between 1 and 5. Okay. You thought about one number. I don't know what is that number. So that unknown number I am going to represent using any English alphabets. Suppose I am taking to use it by X. That is, I told you to think one number between 1 and 5. You have one number in your mind. Okay. So that number I don't know. So I represent that number by English alphabets X. You can use any of the alphabet A, B, C, D, anything. Okay. So now I told you to add that number with 5. So what you will do? You will add the number by 5. You will get one answer. Okay, suppose you thought about what? 2. You will add 2 plus 5. Then you will get one answer. Right? So if the answer is 8. You add, you have one number in your mind. From that number, you add 5. I told you to add with 5. You got the answer 8. Okay. So I am going to find what is the number. How? If I keep X here is equal to 8 is there. Here we have one 5, right? I will take this 5 into this side. So plus 5 will become minus 5. The answer is 3. That is, you thought of the number X equal to 3. Okay, nothing. This is one example, just one example I told you. Here, I told you that unknown number. Okay, so here this X is called variable. Variable, that is, this may be any value. Variable means it have the changing value. If 10 students, the 10 students will think about not the same number. Okay, they may think 1 or others will think 2. Some of them think 3, etc., etc. So the number will be different. So we are denoting this X as variable. Okay. Now when this X is added with the 5. So when the X and you see this plus sign, this is called operation, right? Fundamental operations. In mathematics there are how many fundamental operations are there? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. So when the variable with the operation, that is variable with operation, we got one expression. Is it clear? Nothing. That is one definition for expression is from variable we form expression. That is, variables are denoted usually by letters of alphabets that I told you. Okay. Okay. That is, expressions are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the variable. Nothing here. See, expression means when the operations are performing on the variable, addition or multiplication. X minus 5, X into 5, X divided by 5. Everything is an example of expression. Clear? So what is variable? Variable may be changed. So when we have an unknown number, we are using that unknown number by variable. When the variable is performed and with the operations like addition, multiplication, division, anything, so we can say that is expression. Both are clear. Now see, x plus 5 equal to 8. When these two actions performed, we have one result. That is denoted by equal to. So this expression, the entire expression is called the equation. Clear? Nothing. Variable plus our operation equal to our result. So this and all the terms together are called equations. Is it clear? Now see, if 4x plus 5, this is called the expression. Okay, when x, I told you what is this? X is called the variable of the expression. When x equal to 1, value of x is equal to 1, we can use 4 into, instead of x, we can apply the value of x, that is 1, plus 5. 4x, what is the meaning of 4x? 4 into x is called 4x. Okay, so 4 into 1, that is 4, plus 5 equal to 9. So this is the example of expression. Okay. Now see the statement. An equation is a condition on a variable. The condition is that two expressions should have equal value. Okay, that is our condition. I told you we have 4x plus 5 equal to 65. If we have the example, this is an example of equation. That is, I told you variable with the operations, then equal to sign, then the entire expression is called the equation, right? So in the RHS we have only one number, that is 65. Always this is not applicable. That means we can write 4x plus 5 equal to 6x minus 25. This is also an example of expression. That means in RHS side, it is not necessary to be a single digit. That also can be an expression. Okay. So when we are writing like this is also example of equation. Clear? Now we'll do some example problems given in your textbook. The question is, write the following statements in the form of equations. Okay, so here we have given one statement. The sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. So we need to form one equations. So read the question. Sum of 3 times x and 11. So 3 times x, what is the meaning of 3 times x? X is multiplied by 3 times. So we can denote it as 3 into x. 3 into x means we can write 3x. Okay, 3x and 3 into x are same. So you have to write 3x. Sum of 3 times x, 3 times x and 11 is 32. So here we have sum of. Sum of means addition, adding. So when 3x and 11 is added, the result should be 32. So we can form the equation 3x plus 11 equal to 32. Clear? This is the example. Okay, we'll do the second statement. Now see the next statement. If you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, you get 7. So first we will do the step by steps. If you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, first take let a number. We don't know the number, so we are going to denote it by a variable. I am going to take Z. You can take any of the variable Z, and 6 times number, 6 times a number, 6 times of number is equal to, here we have the number is Z. 6 times of Z is 6Z. And if you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, subtract 5 from 6 times a number. So we have 6 times a number is 6Z. It is subtracted from 5. So that means 6Z is subtracted from 5. You will get 7. So the answer is 6Z minus 5. Answer should be 7. So this is the equation. Is it clear?